I am the first generation entrepreneur who enter in medtech space without any knowledge of the industry and any knowledge of market size. But then it's a passion which drive us to take it to the level. So I had met all the challenges to start the business, to run the business, to boost the business and to grow the business. So I'll just elaborate you the situation from where the medtech in India has been started, because I'm representing the domain when medtech was not been on the side of manufacturing. Today we are looking at India as a powerhouse for manufacturing, but when we start, that time people say, hey, why you are making these devices? Because these are being amply available at the cost of easy imports. We need highest precision in all the technologies what we need, because we are dealing with very critical component, critical diagnosis, critical space, critical sizes. So a micron is always very, very easy for any of us to make it required in medical devices. But to manufacture that in low volume, large volumes, anybody will come up to help you out or to associate when there is a large volume requirement. But medical device is no more a large volume game. We are a cottage industry typically. That's why no biggies are entered in medical devices, because that's not a big game. But it's a critical game, and wherein criticality is always difficult. So if I talked about all these branches, because medical device is not a particular discipline, as Mr. Hasmukh said or Mr. Sunilji said, we all are hybrid kind of technology, wherein all technologically empowerment needed to be make any medical device. It involves everything, and that's how medical device manufacturing is a criticality. A system wherein a pinpoint is to make it enablement for a manufacturing to support ecosystem. We should have a people to support the challenges what is being faced in a regulatory route. That all could be possible because there are many companies across the world who are looking for the right partner. So all that possibilities are there. We have the people, we have the brains, we have now the technologists who can take forward these. Today's discussion is, if you take a medical device, any medical device made across any corner of the world, the 60 to 70% ingredient of that is going to be common. If you make in US, if you make in Australia or Europe, 60 to 70 is a raw material. That the cost is almost uniform everywhere. So where is the key? The key is in the ecosystem, the system cost, and the key is in the manpower. These two, if you take Bharat as a case, we are quite on positive side, because today our living index is quite lower as compared to the other developed nation. That gives lucrative infrastructure or lucrative possibility for medical device companies to come and invest in any device in India, which could be 30% cheaper than any of the world. And that makes a good space as a good case for making India to be a powerhouse in future, because that's a domain that can change a lot. And this is the key to take India to the next level, Bharat to the next journey. And this is my case. It's a case of everyone in India, what we struggle in medtech space, and that's how we can take it forward from here.